Hello there! This is LEGO Dynasty, and today I'm bringing you guys my review of the LEGO City Space Set, the Interstellar Spaceship. It is set number 60430, comes with 240 pieces, and is rated ages 6 and up. Now this set retails in the United States for $19.99, and in Canada for $24.99. Now without further ado, let's kick off this review, starting with the box. Now I gotta say, I absolutely love the look of this box. It just looks so unique. And just really fun, especially as a LEGO City set. Just really fun. I generally don't collect many city sets, obviously, as I'm primarily a Star Wars, Marvel, and other like Speed Champion sort of sets are generally my cup of tea personally. But I just thought this one was so cool and at a really nice price, I have to say. I felt it was worth it, and I gotta say, I really love this set so far. Love the classic LEGO Space logo on the side there. Looks really awesome. Flipping the set around, you can see some of the play functionality of the set. You have, of course, your pilot with his jetpack, or her jetpack, I should say. Just really awesome there. Showing top of the box with your minifigure and little drone build there. Or jetpack that you can, I guess, function as a drone if you wanted to. Quickly take a look at the manual, rendered image on the front, which again, as I've said many times, sometimes they don't look as good. I actually think this one looks pretty decent as a rendered image, but I definitely preferred when it used to be with the, basically the box art was reprinted on, because I just think this box art looks absolutely gorgeous. Now, I brought up in other videos how, you know, sometimes they have advertisements, sometimes they don't. This one does, and definitely shows off a lot of the really cool LEGO space or city space sets that they have. I think overall this base theme looks absolutely really awesome, and I mean, if I had the room, I would definitely get more of these sets, but I definitely think like this is one of the best value sets out there right now. Now you are left with some extra pieces, as you can see, not a whole lot overall, but still a nice assortment, and it's all free. Taking a look at our space astronaut character, and I absolutely love the printing on this character. Like, this is just top notch. Only thing I think I would have loved that could have taken this figure to the next level is some extra arm printing. But, I mean, it is a city set, so generally those characters don't get that. But overall, the torso to the belt to the leg printing just looks absolutely gorgeous. Even the, like, this special helmet piece, which looks really awesome. This really cool jetpack piece, which I believe is new or relatively new. Maybe it's more common, since again, obviously I don't collect many LEGO City space sets, so maybe this has been out for some time, but it's new to me, and I just think it looks absolutely awesome. This jetpack build, which I will take off to show off the back printing in a moment. Now showing off the back printing, as you can see, looks awesome. Now, of course, you can see, somewhat interestingly, you don't get an extra face print. Now with the helmet off, you can see really cool face print though, with what I assume to be a scar. Just looks absolutely gorgeous. And here we have the sort of jetpack drone piece. So you can just pull off this part, and then it sort of acts as a drone, I'm guessing, based off of what it shows on the box. And it's, you know, your pretty standard build, but overall looks pretty fun. And then you have, of course, this sort of piece that it attaches to function as a jetpack. Looks pretty good as well. Now, when it comes to the interstellar spacecraft, I just gotta say, this is a really sleek design. Definitely looks like something you'd see in like a Star Wars sort of show or universe, and that's kind of what drew it to me. I just think something like this looks really cool, kind of like a Space Police-esque set, and I love the Space Police LEGO sets back in the day, and this one just looks absolutely fantastic in person. It has some nice playability. You can obviously play around with these sort of flaps if you want. You can, of course, open it up to reveal what is a really awesome sort of piece here. I'll actually just pop it off. And this is a printed piece here. They actually have the character like take it off and hold it in their hands on the box, so it's meant to come off and be used as sort of like a navigator, and it's just really awesome detail here to have as a printed piece. Now showing off the cockpit, there's of course room for your character. Now you obviously can't have the full jetpack on him or on her in order to be able to close the cockpit piece, so which makes a lot of sense. But you can, of course, fit your character without the jetpack piece, and you can see sort of through this semi-translucent part. Looks pretty good. Now, when it comes to other play functionality, there is, somewhat surprisingly, to me at least, you know, like no stud shooters. I feel like that could have been something that they could add to add an extra playability. But as a space set, I guess it sort of makes sense. I mean, you're not going to have a LEGO space set face off against like aliens, or LEGO city set face off against aliens. So maybe that's just me going a bit overboard there. Definitely something that could be added on after the fact. But when it comes to other playable abilities, you can actually push down on this part, and as you can see, it sort of opens up this engine piece here where you can, you know, pretend it's like thrust. But basically what you're supposed to do is you can pop this off. It's only held up by this one piece here, and as you can see, it's like a recharged battery piece. Very easy to pop back down, and so when you want it to be in thrust mode, you'll push it down, and then when you're in just landing mode, it's just like that, so it's easy. You do have some other very nice pieces here that are stickers as well. These parts here, just absolutely great detail, like definitely something you wouldn't normally see. A lot of these normally would be stickers, but since this isn't a licensed set, probably a lot cheaper to produce something like this. And as such, they're able to add that extra detail that just really enables the set to be really good. Showing off what the bottom of the set looks like. You can see the part usage there just looks absolutely gorgeous. Really like being able to see this, you know, orange translucent pieces for the engines. Just really like this design. The LEGO City Space Interstellar Spaceship is, to me, an absolutely underrated set, and I know it's only been out a short time at this point by the time this review is out, but I think this is a must-have for any LEGO collector. I think this set packs a lot in such a small set, and you know, whether you're looking at price per piece, which this set has some larger pieces that would normally, you know, make the set a little bit more expensive, but an incredible printing on your minifigure. Like, really, the only thing I think this set might be missing is perhaps a second minifigure, though, you know, there's no space for them to fit in the set. But even then, I don't think that was necessary in this set. Like, I think this set, as it is absolutely outstanding. And it's definitely one I highly recommend to pick up, especially if you're a fan of the classic LEGO City Space lineup, or just are a fan of LEGO. Like, I think this set is absolutely fantastic and is a great value set. But that's all my opinion. Let me know your thoughts on this set in the comments down below. Have you picked up the LEGO Interstellar Spaceship, or are you planning to now? Please leave a like if you have enjoyed, and have a great day, everyone.